Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So let's discuss another problem in array series. So problem is leaders in an array. So guys, this problem is very much similar to this lead code problem, replace elements with greatest element on right. Okay. So we will be discussing the approach to for this leaders in an array problem, and eventually it's almost same as this problem also. Okay, so we will basically discuss both of these problems in this video. So let's see what the problem is. So in this problem, we we have to print all the leaders in an array. Okay, so what is a leader? An element is a leader if it is greater than all the elements to its right side. The rightmost element is always a leader. Okay, so let's see what basically they are saying in the problem. So we have 16, 17, 4, 3, 5. 16, 17, 4, 3, 5, 2. This is the array which is given to us. Okay, so here we have to print all the leaders in the array. So if you see, we start from what is a leader basically? Leader is that element which is the greatest element like to the right of it. So there is no greater element. So if it is a greater than all the elements to its right side, okay. So if you see here, since we have to check the right hand side, right, we will traverse from the right itself. So this is the rightmost element and there is no further element, so obviously this is the leader itself. So 2 is a leader because there is no element which is greater than 2 on the right side of it. Okay, so that is one thing. So 2 is the leader. Now if you go to 5, you see that 5 is also leader because to the right of 5 there is no element which is greater than 5. Hence 5 is also a leader. So 5 is a leader. Then we go further. We see 3. So 3 is not a leader. Why? Because on the right of it 5 is greater than 3. Hence 3 is not a leader. Now we move forward. We come here. We see 4, but 4 is also not a leader because on the right of it you have 5 which is greater than 4. Okay, greater than 4. So 4 is also not a leader. So you go here. Now you encounter 17. Now 17 is obviously leader because it's greater than all the elements on its right side. So 17 is also a leader. Then we go here, we see 16. 16 is not a leader because it has 17 which is on its right side and is greater than 16. Okay, so this is also not a leader. So we have traversed, we started traversing from the right side and we eventually reached the 0th index, and these all 3 elements are our leaders. So this will be your output. Okay, this will be your output. So I hope you understood what the problem is. Now let's quickly see how we can approach it. Okay, basically I'm thinking like you must have gotten an idea that what we can basically do. All right, so just pause the video and think once like what you can do here to get to know that this element is a leader. Okay, so let's see. We will be, see guys, we'll starting from the right because we have to check the right elements. Okay, so we will start from the right side and we will be keeping a variable maximum to store that what is the current max till date, like max till that position. Okay, initially just assign this the last index value because we all know that this will be the leader. This will be leader. The last element will always be the leader because there is no element to the right of it which is greater than it. So 2 is itself the greatest, hence it's a leader. So in the output array list, right, you will have a list in which you will just add 2 itself and just store this 2 as the maximum for now. Okay, and you will be starting from the second last index, the traverse. So we come here, we see 5. Now 5 is greater than the maximum element, right? Whatever is the maximum till now. That is your ARR of I is greater than the max. So if this is the case, right? If this is the case, it means that you have encountered an element which is maximum till the right, maximum among all the elements to the right of it. Hence, this ARR of I is one of the leader. So in that case, you will in the output list, right? In the output list, you will add this ARR of I. Okay. And also you will update your maximum to be this ARR of AI now. Okay. So this will get updated to 5. This will get updated to 5. Now we'll move one step back. So we encounter 3. Now you see that 3 is not greater than the maximum. Hence you will not do anything and we'll just move forward. Again 4 is not greater than the maximum, which is 5. So you will not do anything and you move forward. Now you encounter 17. Now 17 is greater than the maximum, right? 17 is greater than the maximum. So uh, here also, right, you have to add 5. So now since 17 is greater than 5, right? So you will add in the output array 17 and you will update your maximum to be 17. And then you come here, you see 16. 16 is not greater than the maximum, hence you will not do anything. And you have traversed the entire array. Okay, so this is basically your logic to check whether if ARR of I is greater than the maximum till date, then this ARR of I is your leader. So add it in the output array. So I hope you understood this approach. Let's quickly see the code for this. So if you scroll down, I will give this link in the description. Here you will see that, yeah, they have taken the last element as the maximum, and they print it for firstly because that will be obviously the leader. This 2 will always be the leader. And then you start from the second last element until 0 index. And if the ARR of I is greater than the maximum, you print that maximum and you store update maximum to be ARR of I. So I hope you understood the problem and the approach. Time complexity is O of n and space complexity is constant because you are not using any extra data structure. Okay, so I hope you understood this problem. And if you see this LeetCode problem, right, this is also exactly same. So the problem is replace elements with greatest element on the right side. So you have to replace the elements with the greatest element which is on its right side. So you are given an array and you have to replace every element in that array with the greatest element among the elements to its right and replace the last element with -1. So basically what they are saying is same logic, guys, same logic. I would say that you just stop the video and just write the code for this yourself. Okay, so you have 17, 18, 5, 4, 6. 17, 18, 5, 4, 6, 1. Okay. Alright, so what they are asking in the problem is that every element we have to replace with the greatest element on its right side. So obviously this 1 will be replaced by -1 because there is no element on the right of it. Okay. And this 6 will obviously be not replaced by anything because this 6 is itself the greatest among its right. Now this 4 will get replaced by 6 because 6 is the maximum element on its right side. Here 5 also will get replaced by 6 because 6 is the greatest element on the right of 5. This 18 will get updated to nothing because this 18 is itself the greatest, right? Alright. And so once again, with the greatest element among the elements to its right. Alright, so we have to basically, we do not have to consider this element, we just need to consider whatever is on the right of it. So this 6 is greatest element on the right of 18, right? So this 18 will also get replaced with 6. And when you reach 17, this 17 will get replaced by 18 because 18 is the biggest element on the right of it. So your final array will be something like 18, 6, 6, 6, 6 and -1. Okay. So this is your output. So same approach, guys. You will start from the left side, right? You will be keeping a maximum value. And if the, so let's do one dry run. We'll better understand. 17, 18, 5, 4, 6, 1. Okay. You will keep a maximum value, initially assign it here and just replace this with -1. Okay. You will start from here. You will see that this 6 ARR of I is greater then the max, right? Okay, so you will update this max to be ARR of 5. Okay, and then you go here and you will see that this uh 4 is less than the max, so you will replace it with the max. Similarly, you go here, you see that 5 is less than the max, you replace it with the max. Then you come here, you see that, okay, uh, which is the greatest element on the right of it? 6. So you just replace it with 6. And here, since now 18 is greater than the max, right? Which is 6. Here 6. So you will update max to be 18. And then you come here, you see that, okay, you replace it with the max. Okay, so I hope you understood it. Let's quickly see the code. So here if you see that we are starting iterating, and every time we just push in the answer array the maximum element which is till date, and if the ARR of I is greater than the max, we replace the update the max. And at last we just since we are starting from the back, right, we will just reverse the array so that we return it in the correct order. So I hope you understood this problem and the approach. Both the problems are exactly similar. And if you found the video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any doubt.